Oh, she. Where Michael go find this Hurry come
What's
up?
her last name?
Why Michael choose a she?
Who is her father?
Poor little girl, you didn't know what you were getting into, did you?
You have been in love. It's like, and then the politics came into it, and that was it for me.
One person can make a difference. If you are placed, and I was placed, and I did not want to waste my time.
One of the things that we do as human beings, if you can hide something, there's a little thing in it. You know, it's a human being thing.
Somebody sent him an anonymous letter to say, did you know that Beverley and DK are meeting every afternoon?
Beverley Manley Uncensored, Part 1 to 4, out now on YouTube at Adtelligent TV. An intimate portrait of a Jamaican icon.